Building with Papa. Okay, today's going to be gardening with Papa. I have some friends coming over. They wanted to see how I started my garden. A lot of things that I have done, I'm experimenting with to see how well I can grow them, particularly my sweet potatoes, because I've come up with a way and I really like it. Here's my hydroponic grow tower that I have. I built it. I have a video on that if you want to see it. All right. Well, we have these Sterilite containers, and I'm going to show them how to utilize them to grow sweet potatoes. And I also want to show them how to make a self-watering bucket. I have these self-watering buckets I've made, but I've come up with another way, and it works out pretty good. All right, we have some friends coming to visit us. The squirrel, he's laying out on this bench. I don't know what he's looking for. Oh, he found the peanuts. Okay. Well, everybody should be here shortly, and we're going to be moving forward. All right, again, these are my self-watering buckets. I have my basil, my peppers, my tomatoes, and on the left there I have my zucchini plant. Yes, it's a very nice zucchini, and it was very tasteful. Here I have a pineapple. I grow them on the other end, and I wait till they're nice and golden, and they are so sweet. It's like candy. All right, well, I'm showing them the fertilizer I use about every 2 weeks. This is the sweet potatoes, how I grow the slips to be able to plant my sweet potatoes. And I use the Sterilite containers, and it works out really good. Anyway, I'm now making the self-watering bucket. I take the PVC, I have the ends, I drill holes in the PVC, and this is the top. It utilizes two things: a top that holds the weed blocker strip down, and then this piece that I'm cutting out, which is part of the lid. I cut the holes for the PVC to go in and the smaller holes for the water to drain through. I have a 3/4 inch hole on the side, which will go in. The pipe goes in and it goes above the inside of the lid. And I fill the PVC pieces up with the small rocks, and then the bigger rocks I put on top so the water passes through. The water's on the bottom of the bucket and it wicks up into the soil. All right, I'm putting the weed blocker in and I'm cutting it off. I've put the soil in, and now I have a tomato plant that I have started, and that's it. There's your self-watering bucket. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up if you can.